what would have made Coach Ramil so happy? Kasi ano to parang team, medyo mystery team itong Lasal in the sense that you lose 3 MVP players after last year. So ang daming question mark about this team. Sa mga question marks yan, what were answered for you, Nicole? For Lasal?
Siguro yung pag-step up ng mga veterans, like Descheng. Ang tagal na rin niya naglalaro dun for the team eh. And yung pag-step up din ni Jolina de la Cruz. Kasi hindi nga natin siya nakita off-season, di ba? Pero yung performance niya, talagang talaga. As in, nagbigay todo talaga siya.
I think it wasn't just about the performance, but the entire attitude.
Yes.
The way she would celebrate a point. She really looked confident in, big crowd, big game. Parang, okay, sino ba yung Jolina de la Cruz? Ganyan. And yet, Phil, she came out and performed.
Yes, exactly. Na, hindi mo akalain na rookie eh. She scored 11 points sa first UAP debut niya. And makita mo siguro yung pride din. Kaya napapasama si Coach Ramil kasi makita mo yung pride ng bawat players niya na Lasal to and syempre rivals nila yung Ateneo. Syempre nandun yung pride na kailangan natin matalo.
Still focusing on Jolina de la Cruz. So she represents itong new blood for this Lasal program. And is she proof for you, Phil, na yung programa ni Coach Ramil talaga, they just create star player after star player after star player with that program?
I believe na yun nga yung strategy ni Coach Ramil na off-season wala kang maririnig sa Lasal and then boom, you have Jolina de la Cruz, diba? You have her na parang saan siya galing and yung performance niya, sinasabi nga ng mga tao parang si Ara Galang, yung power ng palo kahit yung stance niya, it reminds them of Ara Galang and for her naman, it's her time to make a name for herself and syempre very promising yung UAP career niya with her first performance here in the first game against Ateneo.
You know what's interesting? Si Nicole yun din nasabi.
Yeah.
Diba? Sino yung naalala mo kay Jolina?
Ara Galang.
Ara Galang.
Yeah. Yung tindig niya kasi parang, alam mo yun, yung parang
may swag.
Swag.
The Lasal swag, yeah.
And the confidence itself during the game, parang normal na rin sa kanya eh. Lalo na napakadaming tao. What do you expect, diba?